Namaste students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. We will discuss the practical session topic determination of dissolved oxygen in a water sample. Apparatus used: titration apparatus, 1 cm cube pipettes, magnetic stirrers. And chemicals: manganese sulfate solution, MnSO4 solution, and alkaline potassium iodide solution. Next, concentrated sulfuric acid and 0.0125 molar sodium thiosulfate solutions and freshly prepared starch solutions. Okay. Introduction. The amount of dissolved oxygen is an indicator of the cleanness of water. A high level of dissolved oxygen in a water sample show that the water is clean and unpolluted. In this experiment, Winkler methods is used to determine the amount of dissolved oxygen in water. Procedures: use a 250 centimeter cube volumetric flask to collect a water sample. Fill the flask completely with water without trapping any air bubbles. Add 1.0 centimeter cube of manganese sulfate solutions to the sample using a pipette. Discharge the solution well below the surface, and similarly introduce 1.0 centimeter cube of alkaline potassium iodide solution. Be sure that no air becomes entrapped. Invert the bottle to distribute the precipitate uniformly. When a precipitate has settled at least 3 cm below the stoppers, introduce 1 cm cube of concentrated sulfuric acid well below the surface. Replace the stoppers and carefully mix until the precipitate disappears. A manganese stirrer is helpful here. Allow the mixture to stand for 5 minutes and then withdraw 100 cm cube of the acidified samples into a 250 cm cube conical flask. Titrate with 0.0125 m sodium thiosulfate until the iodine color becomes faint. Then add 1 cm cube of starch solution and continue adding the thiosulfate solution until the blue color disappears. Record the volume of thiosulfate solution used and calculate the dissolved oxygen contents in the sample in mg dm per cube. Calculation methods. The formula to calculate amount of dissolved oxygen will be given as amount of dissolved oxygen present in water samples equal to total volume of sodium thiosulfate reagents and equal to normality of sodium thiosulfate and into 1000 and equal weight of oxygen upon volume of sample. Chemical reactions: white precipitate formation Mn plus 2OH equal to MnOH whole twice. And second, brown precipitate formation, MnOH whole twice plus O2 plus 2H2O equal to 4MnOH whole thrice. And after adding acids, Mn 2MnOH whole thrice plus 2I plus 6H equal to I2 plus 6H2O plus 2Mn. And titration, 2S2O3 plus I2 equal to S4O6 plus 2I. Okay, thank you students.